Welcome to Supply Chain Simplified, the hub where business meets innovation. Today we're diving into the principles of supply chain management, the same principles that drive global giants like Amazon, Toyota, and Coca-Cola. Did you know that a single weak link in the supply chain can cost a company billions of dollars or even collapse entire industries? Every product you use today, your phone, your clothes, even your morning coffee, has traveled through a complex web of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. That invisible engine driving our modern world is called supply chain management. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the principles of supply chain management, you'll see how they can transform businesses and economies worldwide. Supply chain management, or SCM, is more than just moving goods. According to the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, CSCMP 2023, it is the planning and management of all activities involved in sourcing, procurement, conversion, and logistics management. Think of it as the circulatory system of business. Without it, production stops, shelves go empty, and economies stall. Principle number 1, customer centricity. All supply chains exist to serve the end customer, not just to cut costs. Amazon is a prime example. Every logistics investment, from robotics in warehouses to one-day delivery, revolves around anticipating customer needs. When you manage your supply chain with the customer at the center, profits naturally follow. Principle number 2, collaboration. No company operates in isolation. Strong partnerships across suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors create resilience. For example, Toyota's supplier partnerships helped them recover faster after the 2011 Japan earthquake compared to competitors. Trust and information sharing are the hidden fuel of supply chains. Principle number 3, information flow and visibility. Several supply chain scholars highlighted that lack of visibility creates the bullwhip effect, where small demand changes lead to massive inefficiencies across the chain. That's why modern supply chains invest in AI, blockchain, and IoT to achieve end-to-end visibility. The better the data, the better the decisions. Principle number 4, lean and efficiency. Efficiency and waste reduction. Inspired by lean principles, supply chains must streamline processes, cut costs, and eliminate non-value-adding steps. Walmart mastered this by using cross-docking in logistics. Products move directly from inbound to outbound trucks, minimizing storage costs. Principle number 5, agility and flexibility. Agility is the ability to adapt to sudden changes. Christopher and Peck, 2004, stress resilience as critical in turbulent times. Agile supply chains with diversified sourcing like Unilever could pivot quickly, while rigid ones collapsed. Principle number 6, sustainability and risk management. Balancing supply chain risk management strategies with economic, environmental, and social performance. Tesla, for example, builds sustainability into its supply chain by integrating renewable energy and recycling battery components. Today, sustainability isn't optional. It's a competitive advantage. Principle number 7, continuous improvement. The last principle is continuous improvement. Supply chains must evolve with technology, customer expectations, and global conditions. According to Deming's continuous improvement philosophy, small, incremental changes compound into massive long-term gains. Amazon's logistics didn't happen overnight. It was built on relentless improvement. So, why do these principles matter? Because companies that apply them outperform competitors. A McKinsey 2022 report found that firms with resilient and agile supply chains grew shareholder returns by 30% more than their peers after disruptions. These principles aren't just academic, they're billion-dollar strategies. To recap, the 7 principles of supply chain management are 1. Customer centricity. 2. Collaboration. 3. Visibility. 4. Efficiency. 5. Agility. 6. Sustainability. 7. Continuous improvement. If you're a student, entrepreneur, or business leader, apply these principles. And you won't just survive in today's economy. You'll thrive. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next week, we'll dive into real case studies of companies that revolutionize their supply chains. Remember, in supply chain management, the strongest link is always strategy. See you in the next video.